Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today's video is going to be really interesting because I'm going to teach you how you can learn hacking like reading manga. Yeah, we're gonna go through stories where you are the main character and you're gonna hack into systems that replicate real life. So it's gonna be really interesting. We're gonna look into stories, we're gonna solve labs, and everything is gonna be so much fun, okay? So let's get into it. So this is the platform we're exploring today. It's Kryptsec. You can search it up. Actually, I want you to go on and log in right now so we can follow through the story and solve the labs together. Because I'm going to be uploading multiple parts on this video, so that would be more fun. So over here, let me scroll down and you can see this is the first story and it says season 1 and there are like 20 episodes. So if you want to see all the episodes, you can just click on this explore all episodes, and there you will see a good idea of number of episodes that are available, and a lot of them are going to be coming soon, and I'll show you the labs as well. But before we jump into that, let's start with episode number 0. Here we go, the episode is started, and it's going to generate images like you read a manga or watch anime. I don't know, it's very similar to that. Okay, so it has started generating images, and if we scroll down, we can see the story started here. It says, they call this progress a century from the chaos outside. Okay, cameras all over the place, and there are people, a cage. So, these people seems to be monitored by these cameras, isn't it? If you scroll down, a beautiful one designed to meet your needs, to calm your mind, but no matter how perfect the walls. Okay, seems like these people are kind of trapped in here. A cage is still a damn cage. Yep. Are they like prisoners? You're safe here. Your meal's prepared. Your pot decided. Purpose assigned. Okay, they are living like prisoners. It's not cruelty, it's efficiency. I think that's what they call it. Okay, we got some researchers over here. And seems like they're researching on these individuals. As long as you're useful, your life will be pleasant. You mean like this? That doesn't look pleasant to me. Okay, but there's a cost to this perfection, a cost they don't want you to think about. Okay, so if you notice, each individual also has this like tag on their body. I think it's their identifier. In this case, it's H33. Purpose is a privilege here. You don't choose your purpose, they do. And if you resist, they will fix that too. With an injection or what? Okay. Override your memories. Okay, that's more insane. Smooth out your edges, mold you into something compliant. Interesting. But compliance isn't peace, and even the best tools break under pressure. That's right. And here we go. We have H99. Could be very possibly the main character. They try to break me too. Yeah, so he's the one who was narrating all this time and reading through this. He's identified with H99, and they call me a designation, not a name. They give me a knowledge. They give me knowledge, access to their archives, and expect me to fall in line. Okay, he has access to some knowledge and few things over here. Let's see how he's going to use that. But knowledge is power, and this kind of power has a way of revealing cracks in any system. That's right. Okay, so this is city. This is giving me cyberpunk vibes a lot. I mean, if you look at their outfits, they call us criminals, rebels, threat to their progressive world. But tell me this, does perfection mean blind obedience? Of course not. Nobody likes to follow anyone like blindly in everything, especially not with these experiments. Okay, she break through or what? Or she's just getting electric charges. Can progress exist with the death of choice? She escaped. Okay, she break through. Don't answer that, not yet. I implore you, watch, learn, decide for yourself. They are following her. Holy moly. But remember this, freedom isn't safe and truth isn't kind, of course. Freedom is a burden to those who choose to carry it. He's just sitting there. Okay, that's the end of episode 0. Pretty interesting. So now we're going to click on continue and it's going to save your progress. Okay, so we just completed the episode and it says the story continues beyond what you have seen. Kai has been working behind the scenes. Okay, that guy name is Kai. And now it's time to discover what he's uncovered. Cool. From here, you can start labs or you can just continue to episode number 1, but we're going to click on start labs. Oh, by the way, if you sign up right now using my promo code Medusa20, you're going to get 20% discount when you upgrade. Okay, so when you upgrade, you're going to get access to all the interesting labs and the episodes, and it's really worth it. So do check it out from the link in the description. Now, here we have a really nice view of how the story is going. First, we just completed episode 0, okay, prologue. And now we have this database fundamentals, and we're going to start this one. So we have like 3 training labs over here. And these are the 3 labs that we're going to do. But first, we're going to start with visible whispers. Okay, so let's start visible whispers. And it's completed, yep. So we can just click on start lab. I like that animation. Damn. Okay, let's click to continue. This is Kai over here. I guess it's lunchtime. Kai is talking to someone. Can't believe they're still covering it up. 2 subjects gone in the last month. Okay, so I think 2 subjects tried to escape the facility. Oh, that's not Kai, that's another guy, okay. They 2 are talking and Kai just eavesdropping. Maintenance staff were involved. Something about unrestricted access, maintenance. They barely have clearance for... okay. So, maintenance staff were involved and somebody tried to escape. I need to know who. He's curious. Time to see what patterns emerge. They give us database access to speed up our organic neural network training patterns. I wonder if they expected us to use it like this. That's what hackers do. Okay, let's enter lab. So the lab is started here, Facility Intelligence Database version 2.3. And here we have the database schema, staff public, and here we have the query. So let's just click on execute. This is the most basic query. It's going to select all the rows and columns from staff public, and it is limited to 10, so it's gonna show us 10 rows. And as you can see, we have staff ID here, full name, role title, department, hire date, and active status. Cool, now let's see. I think if we go back over here, we have a few questions. Let's start with a simple lookup. Who is staff member with ID S0003? Okay, so let's go back. And from here, S003, we have Sarah Williams. Okay, who is the director of medical division? So let's just copy this whole thing and go back here and just paste it here and check answer. Cool, that's the correct one. What department is S003 assigned to? It was medical, right? But again, we're gonna copy everything. So yeah, here we have MED, Med. Who is the administrative assistant in the ADM department? Okay, ADM. So here we have different, this is ADM. But we're looking for administrative assistant. And this is not administrative assistant. But you can see we don't have all the rows here. What we're gonna do now. We can just modify our SQL query now. Time to do it. Okay, select star from staff public where. We're gonna use the where operator. Role title, because we are looking for a role title, equals. And it's administrative assistant. I should have just copied it. But it's okay. Let's execute. Okay, we got 2 role title here. But we are looking for this one. It's actually Mary Moray. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Let's check the answer. Yeah, And it's correct. Okay, moving on to the next question. What is department code for maintenance department? Isn't it MED, if I'm right? Okay, that's not MED, but here we're getting a little hint. Use select extent to find unique values like percent wildcard to help search within text fields. Okay. After using GPT, I found out how to use the distinct statement, so I'm going to explain you here in the text field, so we won't waste much time. We're going to start with select. Actually, you know what? Let me just paste it over here and let me explain you. So this is how the syntax goes. We start with select distinct department. So you provide the name of the column that you're looking from and the name of the table, that is staff public, where you're looking for a role title that has a word like maintenance. So here we have role title and we have provided the word maintenance, but why we have provided the word maintenance is because we are looking for department code for maintenance department. So eventually we're going to get the department code for role title that matches the maintenance, right? So let's execute it. Yeah, so as you can see, this is where I searched it up. Cool. So it's actually maint, M-A-I-N-T. Let's type it here, check answer. And yeah, that's correct. Let's move to the last question. Who is the maintenance supervisor in the maintenance department? Maintenance supervisor? I think the query will be similar to what we used before, but we have to make few changes. So we're gonna make few changes here. Select full name. And then from staff public table, where I'm gonna remove this old section, where department equals maint, because we are looking for the maintenance department, right? Who is the maintenance supervisor of the maintenance department? That's why we are using department value maint, and we're gonna use and because we want more role title, because we are looking for a specific role title. That is, we're gonna copy it from here, so it's maintenance supervisor. Paste. Let's see if it works. Okay, we got it. James. Cool, let's copy it and paste it here. Check answer. And yeah, that's correct. Nice work, agent. You've picked up the basics of SQL query, filtering by ID, searching by name, and combining conditions. And you have identified James, the maintenance supervisor that was mentioned in the overheard conversation. But this terminal only shows basic personal records, no incident reports, no maintenance logs, no details about what he and his team are actually doing. Yep, you need to dig deeper. And I think that's what we're gonna do in the next lab, that is hidden connections. Okay, so now we can just start the hidden connections lab, but I'm going to do that in the next part of the video, not right now. So hopefully you guys were following through. I'm really liking the story. This is really interesting. So do check out Kryptsec from the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.